We have been talking about NVIDIA all morning here. This was the big event of the entire week. It felt like the entire market was waiting for it. Options pricing in a 10% move and then kind of a muted response, only up here just about 2% here. Let me just ask you right off the top, what did you think of this earnings report?
So I actually was impressed. I was a little bit worried, and I think that was confirmed, about a short time supply glitch with the Blackwell ramp. And I'm not confirmed that the gross margin hit will be completely past us in this quarter, the April quarter. So it could linger a bit. I do think the Trump tariffs could negatively impact that. And it's also not in the guidance. But I thought Jensen Huang yesterday made a very compelling case for a reacceleration of data center revenues and thus total revenues for the rest of the year. But we could have a little bit of anxiety over the next quarter or two. But I think this is a pretty good buying opportunity. And I still think that this is one of the go-to names in tech.
Okay, real good. And this has recently come back into the 200 days. So we were actually talking that day that it tested it. Was this a good buying opportunity? Sure, it looks like you're exactly right there. It has been. I know we spend a lot of time talking about AI here. I'm a kid from the 80s, so I can't help it. I have definitely played my fair share of video games, and that's what I know NVIDIA from. So it's near and dear to my heart. My question here for you is, even though the company is still chasing AI, are you worried at all about the RTX kind of fumble, the RTX graphics card series that they're seeing this time around? Does that concern you even a little bit?
No, it really doesn't, because 91% of total revenues are data center. And that's what I am and everybody else is looking for to reaccelerate in the second half of this, which is fiscal 26. And so, yes, you'd always like to see and have the ability to check every single box on the scorecard. But 91% of the revenue data center, that's really, no offense to anyone, all I care about.